the results of the electronic survey that was conducted a year ago in France among radiologists, and they were asked, do they think, what actually do they think about AI? Almost 80% responded that AI will have a positive impact on their future practice, especially in lowering of imaging-related medical errors. And almost 95% said that they want to go and to attend some educational courses to understand where AI goes right now at the moment. So in my opinion, the technology evolves. 100 years ago, we never thought about computers and even telephone, and we were very afraid that some professions would never be, would never exist. And now we can see that maybe some routine tasks would be taken off the shoulders of the doctors, so they can, realize how to work on some complex studies and some complex cases. Also, I think that many of the doctors that work with us on our projects would never imagine 2, 3, 4 years ago that they would be working on AI projects. They were, being educated to be doctors, and they never thought they would be working for an IT company. So this is how the industry is evolving, and this is how it will be changing, and I'm pretty sure it would be changed very rapidly in the upcoming years.
Yes, I would add that in my environment, we also have a lot of discussions around this topic. So many doctors are afraid that they would be replaced by AI, but like experts say that these fears are really unfounded, because each machine learning algorithm, each artificial intelligence solution, it sends on huge amount of data, and this data has to be collected by human hands, has to be analyzed by human eyes and brains, and still the human factor is needed and is required for this job. So it wouldn't happen in the nearest future, definitely.